Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. On the XRP chart, on the larger time frame, we're still dealing with an unchanged pattern, so still in an uptrend. The main support area is located between $1.05 and $1.79. I don't necessarily expect this to be tested yet. It could be, but first of all, we would then need to break back below the 2021 high. A swing high that recently was broken, and now we're consolidating above that, and that's indicated by the green line. So as long as we're holding above that green line, the focus is overall directly on higher prices. But please note, this is still let's say a fragile structure, because we are dealing with the consolidation phase at the moment, and we haven't really moved away from that breakout point yet. We're dancing on it, above it, but that's fine. But we need a little bit more upside momentum to move away from it and then also attack the all-time high, which we should do at some point in the near future. Again, any break below 196 will shift the focus to this key support area, and it's between $1.05 and $1.79. Overall, expectations are for at least one more high, I would say, to reach $5, and then maybe we can get another 4-5 pattern that could send us even higher. But it has, I mean, we have to take it really level by level. Looking at the smaller time frame, well, this is still a sideways consolidation, as I said. Looks a little bit like the H-bar chart on the smaller time frame, just a consolidation. And if it's a triangle, which is perfectly valid, then we should see the price hold above the C wave low. That's at $1.94, $1.93. It's the swing low from Friday the 20th. And I'm still tracking this potential Elliott wave triangle, and these triangles, they are typically quite boring. And the triangle is a 5-wave move. We have this A wave, the B wave, the C wave. Typically, once we have 3 waves in place of such a triangle, we can start to track it. That means lower highs, higher lows. What we now need to see is another lower high, which would be a corrective pattern, like an ABC structure in wave D. And it should be a lower high, and then one more higher low in an ABC structure in wave E. Then we've got five waves sideways, and then we have to be ready that an upside breakout could be around the corner, which would then be further confirmed with a break above the D wave high, which isn't established yet, and a break above the B wave high, which I'm assuming is around $2.74. So this is what we're watching for. And yeah, the invalidation point is obviously the swing low here from the 20th of December, that swing low at around $1.94. Now, what happens if we break below that 194 level? You know, are we going to crash down? Well, we are at least, I'd say, going to enter that blue Fibonacci target zone that you find below. It's located between $1.63. No, sorry, $1.80 and $1.39. And there's an overlap between the 38.2 retracement at 140 and the 161.8 extension at 139. So they're very close together, and that would be an ideal target level. But yeah, please note that below that Friday low, the price could dip into that blue area, and it could be quite a deep correction. I mean, essentially it would invalidate the triangle, so it means the correction isn't going to happen over time, which a triangle would do, but over price, which could be really any other correction, like a WXY, ABC structure or so. And yeah, corrections can often morph, they can often change, and especially triangles are very fragile structures, because the market, I mean, what is a triangle pattern? A triangle pattern is a pattern of indecision, right? So the market hasn't fully decided yet. But the fact that we're holding above $1.96, this is obviously the 2021 high after we broke out here early in December. I mean, that's generally rather positive. And once the triangle is done, and in the yellow scenario, the idea would be to attack the all-time high. Or if we break to the downside, find support there, and then attack the all-time high, right? That's the idea. But until then, until we see either a break above that B wave high at around about 272, or to the downside below that Friday low and the 196 level, there isn't really much new stuff here. The only thing is, on the shorter time frame, it's possible that from here, and the market isn't doing much today, at least not yet, that from here, this D wave extends a little higher, and we could be working or start to work on that C wave up now. Yeah, that's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.